In this video, we're going to look at the Synthstrom Deluge, and we're going to find out how to make the synth sound, quote, fatter. So sometimes people say, oh, the Deluge has a really thin synth. Well, actually, it's pretty simple. Let's start with a new synth, Shift Synth. We can listen to it here. So that sounds pretty thick to me, but if you need more, just make sure you're in the filter right here. We're going to press down on this gold knob. It'll say HPF, that's high pass. And we want to go to EQ. So all you have to do is, you might want to have your headphones on for this because it might be lower tones that you're looking for here. So we're just playing it. Now let's turn the EQ, the lower EQ, all the way up. If you want more high end, you just turn up the EQ on the high end by turning this gold knob. You can also change the tone here, shift, and then 3/3 up. And you can change that. So A square, saw. Let's go lower so you can hear it. Turn it down. Turn it down. So that's before, after. If you really need something more, we can go shift 4 over. And that's the volume of oscillator 2. We're going to turn that all the way up. So there's that. And then what you want to do is go to Transpose. And we're going to move this cursor over 2 spaces. Now, what this is going to do is slowly fine-tune the other oscillator so we can hear it. So hear that? The other oscillator is moving along. So not so bad. Let's change this actually to, let's see, we'll change it to analog saw. So that's how you thicken up your synth sound. If that's not thick enough, I don't know what would be. Now we're going to switch to low pass here. And if you press this, so you have drive, 12 dB, 24 dB. So listen to this. We're going to switch it to drive. Switch it 24 dB. So that's how to thicken up your synth on the Synthstrom Deluge.